Paul Ross presents 23 Lennon Street, Morley. This street-front 3-bedroom home is perfect for downsizers, first home buyers and investors, and will tick many boxes. There's a good-sized living area and a spacious kitchen with gas cooking and plenty of cupboard and bench space. All bedrooms have built-in robes. The bathroom is complete with a separate bath and shower. Outside has a covered alfresco and a low-maintenance backyard. There's a single lock-up garage with shopper's access and storeroom, and there's so much more. If you're looking for a secure, low-maintenance home in a convenient location, just a short stroll to the Morley Galleria Shopping Centre, Coventry Markets and other amenities, then here's your chance to add your finishing touches and live the good life on Lennon. Paul actively invites other agents to bring their buyers through to work together on behalf of his seller. For more information, a personal viewing or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.